Hey, 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 what do you say? It's the last day of the year here, and I'm going to do a short little video on how to put the Google Analytics code into your website. Um, this video I'm kind of making for James, a fellow blogger that needs some better statistics on his website. And Google Analytics can be a little bit tricky, and what I'm not going to go through is how you sign up for a Google Analytics account, okay? That's the easy part. So what I'm going to do, I'm already signed up and I have CyberSmart hooked up to this. This is its own account. But I'm going to, once you log in, once you get your stuff all together, it's going to be this process. Okay, so I'm going to add a new profile. And it's going to ask me for my web address. So I'm going to go to the Chicago Handyman Service site that I have because I don't have any analytics hooked up to this. This website is for sale, so this will work good. Okay, so you put your URL. Make sure you take the HTTP out of here or else it won't work though, because they already have it right here. Okay, click finish. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get this piece of code right here. Just like anything else, right click, select all, copy. Okay, now there's where it gets tricky. We got to go behind the scenes here. So appearance, editor. When you get, everybody's going to be a little bit different because different themes are a little bit different, but the process is basically the same, okay? Now, sometimes Google Analytics works in the header. Sometimes it works in the footer. Don't ask me why, but that's just the way it is, okay? So, if you install it in the header and it does not work after a couple of days, go ahead and move it into the footer. Again, I don't know why it's like this. Different websites, different way. So for now, we're going to put it in the header, okay? I know this looks complicated, but it's not really. Here's your title tag. Here's your meta information. And what you're looking for is this head tag right here. You see this? Head and body tag, okay? So put your cursor there, right click, and you paste the code in there, in between your head and in between your body tag. And then where is my update? Oh, the screen is so small. Sorry. Then you update the file, and really you need to wait about a day or two to see if you start showing up with any tracking results, okay? And that's pretty much it. That's the only two places that it can go. On this theme, I don't know if, let me show you here. Maybe other themes if you're using theses. What's going on? Settings. Okay. Some themes come with a, like right here, the tracking code. If you're using Google Analytics, you can put it here. And it gives you the option footer or header. This has never worked for me putting it in here. I've always had to go into the code. So let's do that one more time real quick. Okay, you go to appearance, you go to editor, and you're going to want to start out with the head tag because that's where that in the header, I mean, because that's where it tells you to put it. So try that first. Okay, and once you get to your over here and you click on your header, it's going to give you all the code. You simply scroll down and find that head tag. You can't go wrong. Okay? You can even leave a space. It's not that tricky. You're not going to screw anything up here. Don't delete anything or anything like that. But then just put that Google Analytics code in there. And then if you need to take it out, okay, it's right after the head and it starts with script. Script type JavaScript. Okay? And then it's going to end with the same bracket, script. So if you need to remove this, because you want to make sure don't take any of these tags out when you remove it or else you will screw things up. Okay? So that's pretty much it. Well, let's go look at the header here real quick. Where would we, I mean the footer. We'll look there too. Okay. See this body tag right here? Both the header and the footer have a body tag. You would paste that code right in there. But like I said, try the header first. before you do the footer, because that's where it recommends putting it. Again, I don't know why. I know this was a short video, and I didn't show how you sign up for Google Analytics, but that's where you put that Google Analytics code. And you really want Google Analytics because how much time do I have here? I don't know. I want to show you something. How cool this is. One of the things I like. Where is my dashboard at? Okay, let's go to, we'll view the reports on, see, it already picked up that it's in there. It hasn't registered it yet, though. That's why that little deal is in there. And you can see I'm new. I don't get a lot of traffic yet. I'm trying to find this here. There's all kinds of stuff in here. It's pretty, it can get pretty complicated. And, I mean, I haven't been here for a while, as a matter of fact. What I'm looking for is the, here it is, the site overlay. Check this out. This is too cool. Watch what this does. Uh-oh. It's not on the right screen because of my camcorder here. Let me get this to fit in the screen properly. Make it the same size as the other window. Okay, now you can see what's going on. Here, check it out. It tells you where people are clicking. This is great for your bounce rate and your click-through rate, seeing what's working. It's going to give you the percentages on all your clicks. I use that a lot. It's also going to tell you what your keywords are. It's going to, combined with the Webmaster Tools, with submitting your HTML sitemap, which I'll do that one next, because you really need to do both. You need to do Google Analytics and you need to verify your site. This is going to make a big difference. I know Google just handed out site weight, and surprisingly, Cybersmart got a 2, and it's only a month old. I was really surprised. I wasn't expecting to get anything, but I got a 2, so I must be doing something right. And if you've been around and you didn't get that, these are the kind of things that are really going to help you. They're basic things, but they really help, because then you can really keep a track on your site and get accurate stats. A lot of statistics, the internal widgets, they're okay. I mean, the internal plugins are okay. There's a plugin called Visitors Online. It goes in your sidebar. I used to run that. Do not trust that thing. It's counting spider visits and everything else, and it's not an accurate count of what's going on in your site. So James and everybody else who watches that video, I hope that helps out. And if you have any questions, please, that's what the comments are there for. And if anybody knows stuff that I don't, I'm totally willing to listen. So hey, it's the last day of the year. Everybody be safe tonight. I'm going to Buddy Guys with my wife, and the comment contest starts tomorrow morning. Whenever I get out of bed, I'll be home pretty late, but we'll get that rolling. And everybody, a happy New Year and peace.